Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wire tracers on Amazon. Every once in a while, wires used in house construction or in other electrical installations can malfunction. Tracing wires behind walls or underground can be a real hassle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Fluke Networks Tone Generator. The Fluke Networks Tone Generator is designed by a top-of-the-line manufacturer. It's a premium wire tracer that is ultra-sleek and compact, but mighty in power. It's meant to test wires on non-active networks and is set up with 5 tones for multiple ways to identify wires and cables around the house or workshop. It also includes a completely replaceable tip. It features a great grip and ergonomic handle, so it is easier to hold onto. Also, perhaps its best aspect is its loud and clear speaker. But if that doesn't work, you could always use its included 3.5mm headphone jack. It saves you time by allowing you to track down wires in minutes as well. It is a pricey wire tracer device, but it isn't absurdly expensive. There have been complaints with the RJ11 port not being adaptable with the RJ45 connector. Also, the batteries may not be included with the tool. Number 2. Colsol Wire Locator. If you're looking for a reliable device to help you detect, prevent, and resolve electrical issues, the Colsol Wire Tracker is an excellent choice. It's an efficient device that traces all kinds of hidden wires, from pet fences to metal pipes. The Colsol Wire Tracer comes with an impressive range of up to 3 feet in depth and 1,000 feet in length. That should be enough to let you tackle all electrical issues, from commercial to DIY ones. The tracer also accurately traces circuits and wires buried underground and behind walls. In addition, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to transport. The main drawback of this wire tracer is the fragile outer shell. It's made of plastic, feels a bit flimsy, and might break easily. The device, therefore, is not a perfect option for daily use where it can be highly exposed to damage. Number 3. Klein Tools Cable Tracer. The Klein Tools Cable Tracer is a high-grade tool for finding and testing wires. It's built with a strong plastic housing and includes durable ABN, angled bed of nails, clips that grip wires securely without pinching or damaging them. It's simple to use and helps save time in the long run. By far, one of its best features is its audible alerts. The device comes with 5 distinct tone cadences that alert you to different types of wires. It can also detect wires that are up to 1,000 feet away. It's an accurate device that is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, either in your pocket or in a box. While the tool may not be overly expensive, it is mid-range when it comes to price. There may be issues with the speaker not being loud enough to hear without headphones, but it does include a headphone jack for extra versatility. Also, the buttons can be turned on quite easily if it is left in a bag or pocket. Number 4. Sperry Instruments Wire Tracker Wire Tracer. The Sperry Instruments Wire Tracker Wire Tracer is a tool designed to help anyone with their audio-visual troubles. It's not difficult to adjust its sensitivity levels and is all around easy to use. When it comes to price, the wire tracer is on the lower end of the spectrum. It even fits snugly and securely inside of a slot designed in the device itself. The audible tones are loud, the plastic case is tough, and it is able to detect cables a few feet deep. Also, even though it isn't a premium price tracer, it can differentiate between several types quickly and conveniently. The batteries are not included with the device, so you will have to spend a few extra bucks on batteries. It may not be able to find cables that are super far away, not 1,000 feet for sure, but is great for those just behind drywall or insulation. Number 5. Extech Electrical Troubleshooting Kit. Extech offers a high-quality tracing kit for detecting electrical issues. Along with detecting wires, this kit can also help you locate circuits, installation defects, and other malfunctions around the house. It's also quite handy for professionals because it's very powerful and highly efficient. The wire and circuit tester features a unique snap-on design. A transmitter and a receiver snap together for easier transport and storage. The tracer is ergonomically designed and pretty straightforward. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.